Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download Metamask on your desktop. So watch till the end to learn the technique, and please click on subscribe and notification bell button to not miss any update from us. So with the help of browser, we can just add extensions to our browser. If you have any emulator on your device, then you can just go to emulator, and if you don't, then you can just download it. So as I have already an emulator, I'll just go to my emulator here, which is called BlueStacks. So BlueStack is a very reliable emulator to download apps. You can download this Metamask from here. So basically Metamask is a software cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. It allows users to access the Ethereum wallet through a browser extension or mobile app, which can then be used to interact with decentralized applications. So as you can see here, our BlueStack homepage is opened here. You can now go to Play Store. Now you can go to your search option here and type Metamask, click enter. You can see here Metamask blockchain wallet. On the right side of it, you can see your install option. You have to click on it. You can see here 10 million plus downloads. It is widely used app. The file size is of 36 MB, so it won't take that much of space on our device. People have rated it 4.3 out of 5, so it has got a very good rating. You can also use our Google browser, but it will only add extension to our browser. We cannot download it directly. And yes, now our Metamask app is downloaded on our desktop. You can see it here on the top. You can click on it, or you can just click on open from here and do your further works. And this will be it to download Metamask on your device. And if you guys find this video helpful, then you can comment down below, and you can just click on like and subscribe button to not miss any update from us. Thank you.